Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check unaccepted follow requests on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here is what I'm going to do. I'll go and I open my Instagram app as you can see over here. Now once I open Instagram, what I'm going to do exactly, I'm going to click on my icon down to the right bottom over here as you can see, and then I click on these three lines up to the right corner and I scroll down until I can see the option which is says your activity, and then I choose download your information. And from here I'm going to choose download or transfer information, and I click on Instagram and choose next, some of your information, and then from here I'll scroll down until I can choose this option which is says followers and following. In here choose download to device and click on next, and lastly you can choose the date range. I choose all time and then choose create files and wait a few seconds until a file is created and will be downloaded to your device. And that's how you can see all the followers and follow requests and accepted and also the rejected follow requests. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.